Welcome to Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I have to talk super fast because otherwise you'll just turn the video off. All right, so today we're going to be talking about lead generation and all the systems that we use here at Titanium Investments. Now this is important because everything that we teach is based around these systems. So we want to make sure that you guys are using the exact same ones that we're using. Now I'm going to start off by giving you guys a free resource at kingclosersformula.com/fleet. Now this is free. You can download it. And we're so nice, you don't even have to give us an email address or a phone number. You literally just click it and it automatically gives you the PDF. Now let's go through the systems that we're gonna use, starting off with leads, because leads are the most important thing to a wholesaling business. Here at Titanium, we're all about paper lead, speed lead, lead Zolo, property leads. These are critical. You don't have to generate these leads. You don't have to mine for them. You literally just swipe a credit card and you get the information and you pick up the phone and close the deals. Now, once you're on the phone with those sellers, you have to comp. We use PropStream, Privy, and batch leads. Moving on from that, once you get the property under contract, you have to be able to dispo it. What are you gonna use for that? We use Investor Lift, which is now free, by the way, Investor Base, and Deal Speed. You also have to have a CRM. Where are you going to keep all this information, all those notes, keep you organized? Well, we use the best CRM in all of real estate investing, and that's ReSimpli. Now, again, to reiterate, you can get all of this information and more details about each one of these systems at kingclosersformula.com/fleet. So if you have a longer attention span than this 2.5 minute long video, you can click on this video right here where I go into detail about each one of these systems and why we chose to use those in comparison to their competitors. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Show me some love, give me a like. We'll see you on the next one.